So it's been a few months, man. The season just kicking back up on you. How you feeling about 2026, Jesse?
Man, it's a busy year. I'm almost to the point I don't think I'm gonna take no new customers in.
Yeah, you were saying that. And that's kind of why I'm starting there because
I kind of think I'm not gonna take. I got a lot of work. I'm kind of got a lot of things I want to set up this year as far as business wise, things like that. Kind of get in order with everything. So the best way to do it is to kind of take a minimum of customers, get everything organized, and that way 2027 I can kind of move in a better direction.
So you talking about client curation.
Yep.
You slow down and take in what you really want to take in and what you really want to work on with who you want to work with.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. So I mean, like I said, a lot of stuff changed, and I got more back into the creativity level this year. You know, in 2015 was my last year really building and creating stuff for people. So, you know, a lot of people feel like they pass you up, or you know, you don't have it, but it was like I'm going to bring it to the city. So now it's like it came out, the monster came out of there. So
Ain't nothing wrong with that.
man, the creativity levels, I'm telling you, they're gonna be unbelievable.
So what you working on today? Is this?
No, today I'm just kind of cleaning up, organizing around the shop, getting things together. I had a lift installed this year, car lift. So when the lifts first, like kind of pre-COVID was when I originally talked to them. They were probably about $4,800. So then after COVID, they were up to $7,900.
Okay.
In that price range there. So the guy was like, he explained all this to me, the four base plates, and how you'll see them and they're kind of skinny and, you know, really no big base plate on them. So, and he was showing me how Challenger is still made in Louisville, Kentucky. So he was like, man, it's a good United States made lift instead of one of those Chinese brands. But he explained, like I say, Venpec, Challenger, rotary to me. Out of the three, I chose Challenger. And then once I chose Challenger, it was just like, hey, I called him to pull the trigger on the $7,900 lift. He said, man, I'm gonna have a good deal for you. I got 3 lifts I just took out of Costco that were barely used because they would only allow me to go up to 4 feet. So he was like, if you want, I can get you one of those installed with a brand new pump and everything, you know, for like $3,500, $3,000 for the lift and $500 to install. I said, I can't go wrong with that, so got them install it. Instead of, like I say, you get to the point in the wintertime, I was cleaning out my whole, that's why you see a lot of boxes out there, cleaning out my whole upstairs, and man, if you wouldn't believe just the amount of stuff you collect.